I threw away all my chargers. Thanks to PATONA's 450W multi-port charger, I no longer need them. Hi, I'm Uğur. I'm a director and content creator. I've been searching for something that could charge all my devices at once, and PATONA has delivered just that. With this charger, I can charge everything from my camera and drone to my GoPro and even MacBooks simultaneously, while the charger's advanced BMS technology ensures maximum safety for my valuable, high-end equipment. The build quality is exceptional, with a nearly all-aluminum construction, and it comes packaged in a sturdy, hard case. The charger's intelligent design includes a color display that shows how much power is being delivered to each port and what devices are connected. With 6 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, it accommodates a wide range of devices. For even more power, there's a DC port that can utilize the full 450 watts. What really impressed me is how the charger keeps itself from overheating while delivering this much power. The built-in fans keep everything cool while operating quietly. I no longer need to carry multiple chargers. This single device meets all my charging needs. A lifesaver for traveling content creators.